what's happening?
Tell you exactly what's happening. Here we are, walking the Titanic.
Literally.
I'm gonna make him do it though, because he don't do nothing else.
Yo, stick around, come on. So there's no doubt, this is literally one of the most iconic buildings of recent years here in Belfast. This is a Titanic museum. There's artifacts, there's objects, there's everything you can see that's going on in here. It's been a couple of years since I've been here, so we're going to do a bit of history, tell you a little bit of things that's going on here, because it is for the memorial of the Titanic, because this is exactly where it was built. You can go to museums around the world, it's never going to be here, yeah? Those benches over there, these are set out in the old Morse code, like the SOS help signal sort of thing, which is epic. Side note, Harland the Wolf crane's over there as well, but this is where it gets special now, yeah? That you can just about see in the night, it is lit up, but that is the outline of the hull of where the sisters were built. When I say sisters, Titanic, Olympic, I can't remember the exact which way around they were. I believe that one is the Titanic. You can walk the whole length of the Titanic, and that is exactly what we're going to do today. So let's take a little step forward, because there's a little plaque over here which is pretty damn cool. So here we go, we've got a little bit of information on this plaque here, which is pretty cool. This tells you everything about it. That building, epic. Join me walking the Titanic. As easy as 1, 2, 3. As you can see, the sheer size on these ships are bonkers. You're talking hundreds and hundreds of foot long. So this video might get sped up a little bit in places, but I just wanted to show you exactly what is happening. There we go, you get a better angle of that building. If you haven't been here, right, in Belfast, I highly recommend you come and see it. So let's take you down. The boys are down there. Obviously the old original rails, they've put stuff up and down with the building. Now these posts, the little lamps on them, from what I can remember, the height of those would have been to where the lower deck was on the Titanic. I'm pretty sure that's why they're there at that sort of angle. But nonetheless, let's go for a walk. As you can see, this is why we're doing this now, off the cuff, opposed to tomorrow night as we planned, because you've got Titanic Studios over there as well. And there's also a little bit of a film set being built over there. But yeah, literally, you've got the lights, there we go, which run the whole length. And that's exactly what we're doing. That in the distance is the Titanic Hotel, where you can come and actually stay. Those are the original drawing rooms of the Titanic, which are absolutely epic. Thomas Andrews' room is actually there. You can come and stay here, but that's where the Titanic was designed. This is where the Titanic was built. So join us as we keep walking, because this is a vibe. I tell you what, if you're a bit of a history buff like I am, I had a bit of a weird obsession with the Titanic when I was younger, as a kid, and there's so much stuff here, like, you know, just relates to it. This is where it belongs, you know what I'm saying? Over there in the distance, other video is an nomadic ship, which is literally the only White Star Line ship designed by Thomas Andrews that is still in existence. So that's pretty cool. Only one in the world, and that ship was built just to ferry passengers to and from the Titanic. It was actually too big to go into port in France. Here we go, we're saying lifeboat sort of sizes. There's so many just stuff here, which is bonkers. Mind-blowing, really, to be honest with you. Now, I came here 3-4 years ago, blew my mind then. I'm returning, and it's still blowing my mind now. Just puts scales into perspective, really, doesn't it? Because if you think, right, I'm still walking along the left side of the ship, right side of the ship, yeah? Come on, still follow me. You think you're still on the ship, you're still on the ship, you're still on the ship. That's the scale, you know, you're putting that in. It's so windy, I do apologise, but that's all right. You're talking all the way over here. That would be the sort of size of what the deck would be, side to side. There we go, bonkers. Or as you walk down, you follow it down to the back end of the ship, stern for all your actual skippers out there. We've got steps, and I love the way this is sort of set out, yeah? So we've got a lovely little decked area, and it's angled out like the rear stern of the Titanic would be. So we've got some steps. As you can see, the other one where it goes out as well in the sort of bay, that would be in the rear of the other ship. And that is literally, you've just walked the Titanic. Only place in the world you can come and walk the Titanic. As you can see, loads of people have put little locks on there, creating those memories with loved ones. So all sorts of stuff is going on. And right back over there is a very active shipping lane. You've got cruise liners over there in the back. You've got some, you know, tanker ships, cargo ships, it's all sort of stuff going on. And when you actually do a little turn and see that, you walk the Titanic.
There's a few other videos on here as well. We've done a lovely tour of the SS Nomadic,
yep,
and some other bits. Go and have a look. Thank you for watching. Till next time.
Boosh.